Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to fix high CPU usage on Chrome. So once you get over to your Chrome browser, there are three things we'd like to show you. So first, go over to the three dots at the top right corner, click on it, and then you're going to go over to the help button. Once you hover over it, you see some options. You want to click on About Google Chrome. And then of course, once you're here, you might have noticed that it just tried to update and it says nearly to date. Relaunch Chrome to finish updating. So you want to make sure that you have the latest version of Chrome in order to have the best tweaks and enhancements to improve your Chrome and computer experience. So we're going to click on relaunch, and this is because it's nearly up to date and it has downloaded the latest update, and we'll need to click on relaunch. In your case, it might be already up to date, but if you don't, you know what to do. So let's click on relaunch to get it done. And now we're back. We're going to try another step to help fix the high CPU usage. We're going to go over to the three dots once again at the top right corner, and then we're going to go to more tools. Don't click on it, just hover over it and you'll see some options right here. We want to click on Task Manager. Right here in Task Manager, you can see different tasks that are currently live and running, and you can also see the memory footprint. You want to go ahead and delete anything that you know you're not using. So you want to make sure that you're looking through to just be sure. For example, you have subframe here. You can go ahead and close these. And what you can do is just simply click on it and then click End Task. Once you do that, it's going to help reduce the load on your Chrome browser and by extension, your computer. You want to go ahead and close tasks that you're not using in order to lighten the load on your computer. So once again, just as a tip, you want to look for subframe or extensions. You can see we have some extensions right here, but this is actually a tab. And of course you could close it if you don't need it, but just notice if you have extensions, and then you might want to close that extension. And talking about extensions, that takes us to our third step. We're going to go to the three dots, click on it, and then we're going to go to extensions. Once again, hover over it and then click on Manage Extensions. And once you click on Manage Extensions, you see all your extensions right here. Do take note that it's My Extensions, and this is not the extensions web store. So all your extensions will be listed here, and you want to make sure that you're taking an audit on what you're using and what you don't need to use. So you might have installed some extensions, some are not working right now, some have not been used in a long while, so you want to make sure that they're toggled off. So if you come over here and simply toggle them off, that will help out. Or of course, if you see that they are no longer in use, you could come over to remove and completely remove it. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to fix high CPU usage on Chrome.